Do you want to create your own e-commerce website just like Amazon or AliExpress without any coding? Then this video is just for you. Today I'll show you an amazing tool called Dokan Cloud. It's a web-based software that helps you build a multi-vendor online store easily. No need to hire developers, no need to write a single line of code. And here's the best part. Dokan Cloud is now available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. That means you pay once and use it forever. I've added the deal link in the video description below. Go check it out before it's gone. If you love learning about useful tools like this and want to grow your online business, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.
So this is Dokan Cloud. You can easily create your own e-commerce site or multi-vendor e-commerce site using Dokan Cloud. Super easy sign-up process. Easily you can customize your store and go live and start selling your products. It's that simple. And the best part is they are currently providing lifetime deal of this Dokan Cloud software. I will provide you the special lifetime deal link in the video description below. Also, there will be a 60 days money back guarantee. So you should definitely check this out. I already have a Dokan Cloud account. Now I just simply click on login. Alright, now we are in Dokan Cloud dashboard. I already have created 3 sites using Dokan Cloud. Now to create another one, I just simply click on create new site. I want to create a standalone shop, that's why I select this one. Now I put shop name MSB store and subdomain, it is now available, and of course you can add your own custom domain. Now to start creating this shop, I just simply click on this button. And now randomly I answered few questions. Country, targeted country is United States. Site language, this time I choose English, and now I put a random address. Now I hit on finish. And yes, our store is being created. And yes, it is now done. Now we need to set up general settings. If I click on general settings, under settings here you can see the general option. Here you can see our store name. You can change this whenever you want. Site currency, email address. If you want to allow guest checkout, then you can definitely turn this option on. And store visibility. For new site, you may select coming soon. This time I choose public, and from units you can select your preferred weight unit, dimension unit, and unit system. Okay. Next tab is business details. Here you can enter your business address and name and domain. Currently our default subdomain is msb-store.dokancloud.com. Actually anyone can visit our created e-commerce site using this link. This is a subdomain. If you want to add custom domain, then just click on this custom domain option, enter your domain and hit on save. And after configuring DNS record, you can easily connect your domain and can visit your e-commerce site with that domain. It's that simple. Next option is brand. Here you can upload your logo, icon, brand color, and social media links. And in code snippet, if you want to add chat widget or some other things, easily you can add code in head, body, and body end. Next option is team. Currently I am the only owner of this store. If you want to add team member of this store to manage your e-commerce business, easily you can add them by entering email and by assigning permission with that user. And next one is payment. You can add Stripe, PayPal, Bcash, Razorpay, Tap, and others payment gateway to receive payments from the customers. And in shipping option, here you can see easily we can add and configure our preferred shipping method. And in SEO tab, here easily we can optimize our e-commerce site by entering title, meta description. Also we can add image for preview on social media. Also under social share we can add title, description, and preview image. And this is our sitemap link, and also you can verify your site verification by putting this site on different search engines. Now if we go to products and if I click on all products, then look at this. Currently it is empty. Now to load some sample products, I just simply click on load sample products. And here you go. Here you can see some demo products. Now at this moment, if I reload this, then look at this. We can see our demo products. Now if I want to modify any product, then I just simply click on this edit option. See, we can modify product name, product slug, product type. You can actually sell a standard physical product. Also, you can select digital product if you want to sell digital product in your store. Description, you can add multiple images. You can edit categories if you want. Also, you can add attributes and variation. Regular price, sale price, and other necessary options are available. To see the product preview, just click on this preview button. Super easy, right? And under integration, here you can see live chat, MailChimp for email marketing, Trello for SMS, and other necessary integrations are available. Under designs, if we go to pages, this option, then look at this. Here you can see all the available pages. Now to create a new page, just click on this add page. Then type name, slug, mood, status, and content. In editor mode, you can easily edit your content right here. If you go to builder mode, then you can easily, by dragging and dropping, you can easily build your page. If I go to edit and click on edit with builder, then look at this. Here you can see our blank page, and on the left here you can see blocks. If I drag and drop image, then look at this. Easily we can add image, text, product grid, and if we select any specific block, then here you can see related options. These are the basic blocks, e-commerce blocks, site blocks, and advanced blocks. Actually, by combining these options, easily you can design your own preferred page. Currently, I am in test page. If we go to templates and if I select home, then look at this. In the same way, easily we can customize our home page as well. If you don't want to add this explorer or this category, this block, then just simply delete this block to remove. This way, easily you can add or delete any block from any page. Actually, this is that simple. Also, you can preview it from tab and from mobile device as well by navigating this option. Now to undo anything, just click on this undo option. And under layers, here you can see all our available blocks. If you want to delete any specific element, then from layers, easily you can delete it. Also, you can duplicate and drag and drop your block position. Now to make your change live, just click on the save option. So easily with site builder, you can design your any e-commerce page. Under designs, there is an option which is called themes. Here you can see by default Lumen. This theme is installed and active. If I click on explore more themes, now here you can see bunch of different themes are available right here. If I select electronics and gadget, here you can see this categories theme. If I choose beauty and personal care, this type of themes are available. Easily you can install and activate it with your needs. And of course, every single page is customizable as well. Also from orders tab, easily you can manage your orders. And in customers tab, you can easily search customers. All available customer list you will be found here. Under marketings, there is a coupons option. Easily you can create coupon from here to provide customer a special discount. Actually, every single essential options are available in Dokan Cloud to run a successful e-commerce business. If you go to their pricing tab, here you can see if you choose their pro plan, you have to pay $36 per month. But the good news is currently a lifetime deal is available on AppSumo. I provided you this link in the video description below. With tier 1 only in $69, you will be able to create a Dokan Cloud e-commerce site for lifetime. You don't need to pay anything extra monthly. In license tier 2, site creation limit is 3, and in license tier 3, you will be able to create 10 e-commerce sites. And platform commission on revenue, they will cut 1% in license 1 and license 2. And in license 3, they will cut only 0.75%. So if you want to create multiple e-commerce sites, then I think license 3 will be a great choice to buy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to check the lifetime deal link in the description below. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.